Here's to love. Here's to honor. Can't come in her.
Come on her.
I can't wait for the day your hair becomes overtaken with gray. Oh wait, awkward.
Hold still. You're gonna strip.
Space Jam. I love you, boy.
Theresa actually dated my little sister's boyfriend. They were broken up. She wasn't that girl. Almost like an epitome. She had this look on her face. Did I say an epitome? Okay, it's an epiphany. I was just kidding. It's a too many lemon drops. Okay.
Don't put that in there. Don't put that in there.
I don't know if you guys know what starfishing is. We could maybe show. Oh, okay. Courtney had to pretty much cling to the front of me, and she buried her head in my shoulder and sobbed the entire time after my wedding because she thought she was losing me forever.
With apologies to the other aunts present, I think everyone knows she's my favorite and always has been and always will be.
Take their last shot.
All right, buddy. So about 2 years ago, your mom and I met on Bumble.
Thank you for being here today. This truly is a blessed occasion. Courtney, from a very young age, you made it very clear that you will always do things your own special way. And Theresa, you're genuine, generous, and gracious.
I've never seen Theresa be able to be more herself with anyone else than when she was with you. Thanks, honey. Not only do you make Court a better person, Theresa, but you make our entire family better by being in it, and I'm really thankful.
I fell in love with you, the real you. Not your looks, though that is a plus, but your voice, smile, and your eyes.
We have the absolute best time together, even if your humor is only subpar. Being with you, I have received two of the greatest gifts. First, you've given me the gift of being completely seen, valued, and loved for exactly who I am. The second gift you've given me is the gift of motherhood. Though Emmett will never be blood related, I am honored and do not take for granted the role and responsibility to partner with you in the motherhood journey.
I'm so excited to grow old with you by my side, my cool, calm, and collected queen. I want to be sitting by your side with my water bottle and ice cream when we're 80.
I promise to always have peanut butter party ice cream in the freezer and even dish you up when you're just too comfortable to move.
I will be there to make your coffee, pop your back, and find anything you have misplaced.
And above all else, I promise to be your teammate in this beautiful journey we call life.
I promise to always communicate, to let you nap, respect you, support you, and be the passenger princess.
I see you,
I'm with you,
and I'm for you.
Just like you clung to me all those years ago and starfished me, you have a new person to starfish. And I encourage you to cling to each other in all the big and little moments that life has for you. Cheers.
I'm happy to see you happy. I'm happy to welcome you into the family, and thanks for accepting our crazy family here.
Cheers to Theresa and Cortney.
I now pronounce you to be married. You may kiss the bride.